Ensa Eyemo litukulia Jumapili chitariki 15 Eyemo mutinyukane mwaka w'ikiri 2023 na sembeo elingomanya manganya kobaga gwateka imena isiko yorogongo rwa Gusii na boigo abasaki baitu bamangana banyareko bagwetaganagaria kwenekinga banyareko bakuyareta onsi aseliboa elimo gukwarigania senchira beno nyareko bagogosanga amona inchiriterane ngoro kwa Josephat Amisi na boigo orito kubwatana nera gwetera somo na bwemanyerero ni gakoro kwa Joshua Auta ingoira na tora sege kagetarige tambe dintu nyareko bato kumanya mange nganyareko bagagwateka. Omwanchu murigereria karibu sana isaranso nyareko boko yabwatia gwetera segeta seni Ndizi TV nyora boigo na boko bwatia Amayia ya gwetera ase mitandao yaitu ya social media anene gwetera ase Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na boigo gwetera ase mtandao olio o YouTube Ndizi TV News. Karibu sana ngomanye nganyareko bagagwateka togochaka kigimakurwa ase county ya Kisii bono nigo ebyombe au byoborendi anene abanyanyimbo pia boligo binyareko bogotingia oborendi chinga kichiabotuko ekerobono abamenyi be county ya Kisii banyatuko bakorara aya nigo achire magiga yababego gosaba ibi banyareko bakwiranira na guchaka obuibi bwabo ase chikanisa ase gekorakia bwango iganigo abaibi abanyatuko bagwikirana ase kanisa ya Nyamache Green ase boigo banyatuko bakorobo salina kuiba ebinto ebibietane tichiribu chimia isano na izatobo tuko bogokera litukoligoro oyo kabire omomeya bwe county ya Kisii gose oyo kabire omomeya anene imeya omochi obosongo Samuel Nyangeso nigo agikeiria egekorekio na boigo atebiringa nechinga kibono abanyanyimbo ebabonete banyareko bakubokerera na kwenekia buna banyareko bagutingia oborendi orobotio ruo asenjero bwikiranu no musaki ito Brighton Makori
ababwatani au amo nabakristo kurwase county ya Kisii nelia Nyamira nigo bagenderete kugikeri egekorwa abaibi bakogenda na kuibera chikanisa samatuko abwangoiga kaokwana ase kanisa ya Nyamache Green aburi tukuregoro anene kanisa yo erigati yechikanisa chiri chanyare chiko ibiro binto uyu kabere omomea somo chobosongo Samuel Nyangeso ni ganyare kago chanira na kugikeri engane yo.
Hili ni kama limeenea sana katika kaunti zetu zote mbili. Ikiwa kaunti ya Nyamira, ikiwa kaunti ya Kisii, makanisa yamewahi kuvamiwa sana na vitu vingi ambao ni vyombo mbalimbali hasa electronics zimewahi kuibiwa.
Nyangeso wano ni ganyarire gakobori anne bali bagokomboi ebinto asemisangano ao koba maiso ekiagena bera toikarabuna ababa koibe bindebyo nabyo ebyo bagochi batumeka aso komboi.
Nataka nichukue nafasi hii ukasifu wale ambao wameingia katika biashara hizo. Hasa hizi biashara zimeanza ambapo watu wanakuja kuhaya hizi public address na vitu zingine ndio imelefanya biashara hii kuwa, na nataka kuuliza wale wanao wamejiunga katika biashara hizi wawe macho sana, kwa sababu sasa hivi tunataka kuuliza serikali ianze kuchunguza kati ya vyombo hivi vingine ambao watu wako nao vya kibinafsi, iende ikawa some of these instruments ndio zimekuja kutolewa kutoka makanisa abanaenda wanauziwa.
Nganyarira kuburi abanyanyimbo koba maiso.
Na pia tunauliza provincial administration pia iweze kutilia maanani sana kuwa na watu hasa katika makanisa haya na yako katikati ya vijiji na mengine yako karibu na police station zetu hapa, katika zile patrols zinapiwa usiku, wao wakifanya hivyo. Ingawa sasa tumehimiza pia waumini na viongozi wa makanisa waweze kuweka fence ambazo ziko na nguvu kidogo, hata ma CCTV, ili waweze kuzuia majanga kama haya ambao huwa yanatokea.
Abaraina barabo nigo bono banyarire bakoboriwa weso kinagokonya chikanisa jirija nyarire jikoiberwa na komocheka korwekyo ernene kerabaibi abo bataratwaro boso kubo koibera chikanisa.
Biza pia viongozi wetu wakasi mambo haya, ma chiefs wetu, ma assistant chiefs na wale wote ambao wanahusika katika hali ya usalama kuona ya kwamba jambo hili limemalizwa kabisa.
Yangeso boigo niga ichanire buna baibi nigo bona batabwatie siko oikase kanisa ekerobono ringanelio rireribe asaburi abamenyi osaba Kristo kogenda gosabira baibi abu gosemba nyare bagonjoreri chimbwa echo.
Ombe hawa kwa sababu hii imekuwa ni spirit nyingine imeingia, kwa sababu tumeona watu hawaogopi kuweza kufanya mambo kama haya. Hata uchomaji wa kanisa zamani watu walikuwa wanaogopa. Kuiba kwa kanisa watu walikuwa wanaogopa kwa sababu walikuwa wanajua kwamba wataweza kuadhibiwa ibaya na Mungu. Lakini kwa sababu tumefika siku za mwisho, watu spirit imeingia ni mbaya, basi wameendelea kufanya mambo haya, ndio sababu tunaona haya yote yanafanyika.
Ngoripoti Kisii Candice TV Elidariane Brighton Makori.
Bemono omusakito Brighton Makori asoroboti ori asenchira yobo ikirano ngana yoko gosereria sana anene ekarokonyora ngaba hivi bako buna chikanisa na kunyara ko baba kuiva korwa ase chikanisa chito tigarita se county ya Kisii anene korwa se bunge ya South Mugirango maiga yenya gitari ya Nduru level 4 kunyara ko bagego sie kwa aso bwango iga magiga yo kungusana na kunyara ko bago korrekana orogati ya bakuri mere muna biga bamenyi benseme yo bono nigo abamenyi benseme banyara ko bakorobekana na goikera ase nyagitari yes banyare ko bagosaba uboteneri bw'nyagitari yo bonyare ko bokwene kenyagitari nyare ko bege kuigurwa ase nchira yo boikerano bago kwana isiko yenyagitari elitukoria rero abamenyi abubo igo nigo batebire ababeire kongu gotara ase chinsemo are kati ya betago elinde banyare ko bakorigia obobwenia boigo abamenyi abo nigo baboriringa onyekere okungusana ngororo gwa gisiaso kwa irere nyagitari konyara ko bage gosiekwa bonyare ko abogotiganwa limo lyoka tigango tunyara roboti oruo asenchira yoboikerano
nechinsa isano chamambia inyagitari ya Nduru level 4 egegotwarigania asike gitake nyagitari ye n'abanyanyimbo abagenda tuko bakubika oborendi ase nyagitari ejo aya nigo achire magenya gitari yoko bage gosiekwa kubatikano kunsana na kwa beirororo ase amatuko abwangoiga asa bamenyi benseme ibanyara ko bagwesokia na koroberekana ase basabire serikali inyare ko bage kuigora nyagitari ejo urimo ryoka
gitari yakonya abantu abange bangi nambale bagoicha nyagitari gangu oje ankuibora goja nyagitari esiegire bana boda mbalega mondo anyorera accident osegari yakorera accident uduma ya kwanza denye gitari tubwate nyamarambe gaiga ekina gianga tokonya mwanje nye gitari iguru yale ngonyalekana no nyendero maragoba konye gitari baito batalia bajija sobwango mono bakonya abantu
igotora sesku enya gitari ya Nduru egita bwati abanya gitari bona iga egitakero barendete abaskari barendete nduma dinangi barendete mesa babarwire mbayo egende getanga inargo saba kamoranje nyagitari yeito echake gas no mambi esengencha abantu barabondega ebaruarete babwate chipresa chisukari abangi namatare ko byara abande nganyara bachiachari narerere chumapiri abaito banyore chiachari ntobwate stoko baira wasabano
nonye nabo abamenyi abo niko baburirie ogotuguterwa are wechita bautu chonsi cha kisiasa echianene cheireire ogosiekwa kwenyagitari ejo
bakwane serikali ya serikali ya county muisaranse moji chamo muigwane mukorera bana inchi amagenderero ekina kinarenge gosaba
tware gosaba iga differences cia kisiasa chonsi bichikoreki chiere abarai bachoriru onde bwensi oreto koborikero ogende yonsi akanye emyaka 5 gosebono onde bwensi osweto wisi omwe musie ababunge chigavana pake president mbara ko no mwaka obisi omani gosoborimo inkiye ko gara bata kuikaransa babange kibakora aba Kenya emerimo
lakini mambo ya tofauti mambo ya siasa tulimaliza kitambo
abamenyi abo igo nigo banyare ko bakwenekeria oborendi boisaine ukia saba kori emeremo anene banyagitari ejo ngati aba banyagitari inganigo obugima bwabo bore asarongekera baranyare ko bakwirana asemeremo
inyagitari eito igo rumabi muneko nyarekana abanyagitari abanda abarega bonsi ipi na ubago utumia talibo security ni ndoja ko babekera gosebano munyagitari ande bwese ogokunu na otore maega yae esengenjo munyagitari oni garo akonya magima ito
jibu ni kwamba watufungulie hospitali yetu kwa amani tena hatupembelezani kwamba wafungue kwa sababu hospitali ni yetu imo Mugira.
Kakimwa twaro saba moto morembe moto igorire nyagitari toirana kwa muna tware.
Kuripotiri gataseni kia Ndizi TV kuru mucho Nyamarambe. Uyo kutoka Amayia constituency ya South Mugirango, Amayia county ya Kisii eriterane Josephat. Amisi.
Oroboti oruase nchire boikira ntogusika motwenigo ekiombe kia Gusii professionals ritukoria leo Kenya kwa bagego twaliga ikaro kia bene ase amagacho a Bomas of Kenya elio koiraneria ya serikali ngambia mono anene omuraigwense Daktari William Ruto ase okomochoreze kelima chogukoba omowaziri wechisemi bakoragwa na Joash Mangini goboigo abu banyara koba bakogokera egetambukira nabo igo bokoreri bwa yeze kelima chogu anene ase ewiza eria yechisemi kati abali banyara kwa bagwikirana ase gikare kyo no mabunge o South Mugirango Silvana Sosoro na boigo Josephat Nyakundi Steve Mugaka gati yabarayi ao abanyara kwa bagwikirana ase gikare kyo kiritukoria lero.
Lakini umanyite about 2-3 weeks ago the monene bwense na njora mbomu waziri omoke as a man of foreign affairs, and I will not be ashamed. Tingo soka whatever mugaga machokunga biamono and biamono sana as a role we played no manyete no madegas wakora yasako beko na intwe palibande bali ga bange mwanyolire bitali hao ase serikali yenye ya UDA umanyite a role umwaka machowa play and I want to say unashamedly that we are lucky to have this man as our minister from Kisii.
Togosuka mutumwa ncho murigereria ekiombe ky'abanyagitari orosagia rwa Kisii nigo kigendete kobage kugikeria egekora segati y'abanyagitari banyara ko bagotigerwa chingoma anene sokoburukana kwanyara ko bakorekana ase nyagitari ya Nduru level 4 ase ensemo ya Nyamarambe abarai abo boigo nigo batebire batachi koba bakoenana anene obo koreri bwabo ochia ase enyagitari eliogo ikera serikali yanyare koba gekoba gati gose tiba kunyara koba kwenana obokoreri bwabo goikera serikali yanyare kobe koburendi bwisaine ase nyagitari elinde banyare koba bakoirana emeremo roboti oruo na Brighton Makori
obokoreri bobo bweni ase nyagitari ya Nduru yegotoka sensemo ya Nyamarambe ebunge ya South Mugirango na wabono bra chikotenena anene kirabanyagitari baradiri go chigotagenda gukora imirimo as NSMU.
We are here to give an official statement and position of the Department of Health in as far as the events that happened at Nduru level 4 hospital.
Bagokwana abo litskore goro anekero banyarire bakomochege korwa kyanyaldige okorekana orro ewikeye nigobono bateruna barabumba ochikoremereria.
There is no way the community can organize themselves in such a way to try and prevent a working workforce to do their job, and because this was a normal government procedure.
Kolengana barbo nigo bamochiri abana siasa.
We are aware the people behind the act that occurred in that facility were well organized, and they were organized by the local politicians.
Nigo bateruna nonye baliete chira cyo koremiremo ase andonsi imeyense nigo bono linganelio linyagitari ya Nduru ligendereze ko baichania ase myoyo yabo.
We cannot behave like animals, and it is something that we are telling our people and our members who are the healthcare workers, all of them, that there is nobody who is going to return back to that place until the leadership of the county government, the local leadership and the area MP and all the MCAs in that area, they come together and solve the issue that is there.
I want to emphasize that as healthcare workers, doctors, nurses, clinicians, we took an oath. Healthcare workers can work anywhere and we work without partiality. So that incident still shocks us, and as we advise the healthcare workers, all of them to withdraw their services till that position remains.
Communication had been done and authorization had been received from the chief officer who was aware of all this. The SMOH, who is the head of the institution at Nduru Level 4 Hospital, was equally informed. We had left our headquarters in Kisii town, heading to Nduru Level 4 Hospital to do two main things. One, there was a water pump that had broken down that necessitated a repair, but before that, we were to test it using the generator that is in the hospital, but they had challenges with fuel, which we had to get from town. Two, we were to pick an anesthetic machine, which is a normal government procedure, under borrowing from one facility to another facility. After a short while, when the machine was being loaded into the vehicle, a gentleman appeared from nowhere and appeared to be taking a video clip, and we asked him gently what he was doing, and he said that he was taking the video clip to record the work that was being done. So we requested him politely that we were not comfortable with that event, and he retreated. While retreating, he was seen waving towards the gate where a crowd of youths charged towards us.
Abanyagitari abo bakoragwa na Dr. Matibe Giabe nigobona batemna barabo nigobaganyete obotugokorwa erikomanya ningikirete ngane yo gokoreka.
To know that as a department we are still working towards ensuring that healthcare workers and a safe environment go back and continue offering services there. While this is going on, we request them to remain calm and stop issuing threats to those healthcare workers who are still on the ground. Otherwise, we request the relevant security agencies to continue doing the investigations and furnish us with information that will be helpful to guide us in terms of advising the healthcare workers to continue their services there.
Ngoripoti Kisii Candice TV iridariane Brighton Makori.
Bia mono masakio ito wa mangana Brighton Makori asoroboti orwa senchera yobo ikirano togosika mutwe omora ibwense Dr. William Ruto nigo agenderere kuyegerera serikali ya yebuna negene takobagi kubika emerobeli elio kwendekenge nyale kobagi wikira ni chira ya nyale takobagi kuliera aba Kenya chingaki che campaign gatie chire chio serikali ya Kenya kwanza ya nyale kobagi kwendekenge nyale kobagi wikirania no kweneke buna ya bekire emerobeli elio kweneke buna amagori ebintu anyale kobaga kwira nanse Ruto niga yakwana litukulia lero asomusangerekano bugo sasima oyonyara kobaga korekana asegeti ya Kenya gotoka Emeye County ya Machakos gatia barayi bali banyara kwa bagwikirana ase omuyego iyo no mugabana we county ya Machakos wa Vinya ndeti na boigo omokonyi bo murayi bwense Rigathi Gachagua.
Barai au bakorawa no murai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigo baikirana somuyega bwa masabo yo bwamo asegati ya Kenyatta Stadium Emeye County ya Machakos gukwana chingakie cyo Ruto niga kambia ase chukura banyorete kuru asaba menyi bense meyo asagani abarai bonsi go chamo na kobeke mirobere miyayo koreta maunchorerio asaba Kenya.
Hatuwezi kuendelea kuongea tena mambo ya viongozi. Nafasi tulio nayo sasa ni kuongea na kupanga mambo ya wananchi. Na ndio mimi nawauliza viongozi wote wa taifa letu la Kenya, all of us, we must stand shoulder to shoulder, united, so that we can plan and effect the plans and programs that is going to transform our nation and change the lives of the people of Kenya.
Ruto boigo niga kwanira magendro au ayo barengete goikirania senseme yobuna mache chipara obwaga chiwe chinyomba na monokorwa mabaga yemeremo asaba sae.
Hapa Machakos ngawaje mjumbe wangu bwana Caleb amesema anapanga nyumba 100 ya Machakos town. Mimi nataka nimwambie minimum tutawapatia Machakos town is at least the first 2000 houses hapa, kwa sababu ni mpango yetu pia ya kupanga ajira ya vijana.
Omokonyo ya Rigathi Gachagua nigo agokera egetambukiro kya bakamba asogo tabwatirana asamangana ya maandamano.
This decision that you made as leaders, as a community, kukataa hii maneno ya kuweka sufuria kichwa na maandamano, mumeheshimika katika Jamhuri ya Kenya. You have a date with destiny to lead this community in the path of prosperity.
Omuwaziri bwa mang'ana ye chinse cha isko oyobo igore nkomo governor we county ya Machakos Dr. Alfred Mutua nigasaba bwa matobuya na koene kiabuna bakenya bale asensemo ya Sudan eserikali neramo nabona kuboria ondora agenda se ensi ya isiko kwerikia nembasi.
We have about 3,000 Kenyans stuck in Sudan and they are scared, they're in their homes, nobody's leaving the house. And Your Excellency, I want to assure you and to assure Kenyans that we are aligned. We've talked to Kenya Airways. They are ready, if things get out of hand, to bring Kenyans back here. We are asking Kenyans, wherever you are, whenever you go overseas, please register with the embassy, because you don't know what will happen.
Asensemo yayo mugavana we county ya Machakos wa Vinyandeti nigagani ogo chamo kwa barayi erikoreto murembe hasamo enekera rutobuna ni garage kubwatirana ne serikali asobokorero bya asaba na nchi.
Don't listen to too much noise with your deputy. Hii Kenya ni kubwa kushinda sisi wote. It is bigger than all of us. And if talking is going to give us peace, and so be it. I am going to work in collaboration with the national government because the constitution is very clear. And me, I follow the law.
Egati abarayibande bekurasegesa kukiaba kamba abikira naso musangirekano yo nigo batebabuna amandamano tarigo chikoene kiwasensemeyo na komoene kiri murayibwense bunamba chikokore mirimo asobwamo.
Sisi Machakos, sisi hatuna maandamano vile, na hatuwezi kubali maandamano. Mheshimiwa Rais, vile uliteremusha ukatupatia subsidy fertilizer na mvua ikanyesha, watu wa Ukambani na Machakos tulisema tuende shambani. Hiyo tu ndio inaweza teremusha bei ya unga. Kwa hivyo na kuhakikishia Machakos hakuna mahali kuna maandamano.
Sisi utatusikia katika maneno ya maandamano. We decided that Kamba people have better businesses to do. It is not because we are cowards, we are not cowards.
Na sisi tuko tayari kuendelea na wewe, na viongozi wengine pia wamejitokeza, tumeshikana.
Ngoripotiregeta seni kia Ndizi TV erietariane Evelyn Osero.
Oroboti urumwancho murigeraniga rwanyara kaburu kwandiganirwa na koretwa asimore na Evelyn Osero na gwikira gwo mwancho murigeno to gwikira omweri wa mang'ana Amayia Ensa Eyemo yabono botuko nyora yangati ya yanda mange togendete ko botuko kwariganira kurwa SMS ito ya Amayia egetaseni kia Ndizi TV uri nyara ko bakwenekia Amayia nyara ko bagagochera gwetera ase enchira yebimanyererio nigo akoro kwa Joshua Auta na boigo oyo nyara ko bagakwenekia chibicha amurerio giria gochera senchere wikira na bigania njama ridera ngoro kwa Josephat Amisi to mirane chinsa isato ase Amayia ase chinsa echo isato gendra ko kwego kenemero beli to genda ko bato koletera gwetera ase getaseni kia Ndizi TV.